So Galaxy watches are so different, especially compared to, Apple watches and just a bunch of just other brands. It's just so much different. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Galaxy Watch 6, which is just what I'm showcasing, but it's really just any Galaxy Watch to its full potential and not missing any features. So let's get started. So, like I just said, the Galaxy Watch 6's operating system is just completely different in, every way. And I'm also trying to figure out how to hold this watch because I'm used to reviewing phones where you hold it out and, you can see everything and it's easy to hold in your hand. But this, it's like, what do you do? Hold it with two fingers. But yeah, so there is so much, to do with the Galaxy Watch 6. It can be kind of confusing just a little bit, but hopefully if you are confused, this video will be able to help you just figure out how to use this watch. So first things first, I'm just trying to get my camera to focus. Okay, so first things first, just kind of general operating this watch. So to get to important information and just different tiles, quick glance at different things, you're going to just okay, so you could swipe, I guess, to the left, but bring stuff from the right. So just watch that again, just swipe, I guess, towards the left to bring your tiles, and it's just kind of quick glances at a bunch of different info, and you can customize it to however you want it to look. And your steps, your food, just a bunch of different stuff, and you can only have 15, which makes sense. So that's how you just access that. And you can also use the touch bezel, which there actually isn't anything there. It's just a digital rotating bezel, so you can just kind of just move your finger along the screen in the circle shape. And I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it makes a little clicking noise. Actually, let me mic output front. I hope this is the right microphone. Not sure if you can really hear, but it's very subtle. Actually, wait, let me put all the microphones back on. Okay, so hopefully you are able to hear that. It is very subtle, satisfying sounding clicks that kind of sounds like a rotating bezel, if you've ever used one from the Galaxy Watch 6 Classics. So that's how you access quick settings, and that's just tiles. That's kind of just what those are. And then to access your apps, which this is actually something that I didn't realize that Samsung watches had until a week of me having my first Galaxy Watch 4. I literally had no clue that there was an app drawer. I literally thought it was just all of these tiles. But you're going to swipe up. So again, you're just going to swipe up from the bottom. Let's do that one more time. Just swipe up. Oops. Swipe up. Oh. Swipe up. And then again, you can use the rotating bezel to just rotate and just look at all your apps. You can open messages. You can do Bixby if you really want to, which actually Bixby is improving. You can do recent apps. Go through all of them, just close them. You can do weather. Weather is always important. You can do Play Store. You can just have any apps that you want that's at least just found within the Play Store. So that's where your apps live, just right underneath there. And for notifications, your tour. I didn't understand that. Bixby just decided to randomly wake up. Okay, so let's start with it again. Okay, so if you swipe to the bring stuff from the left or from the right, but wait. Okay, swipe to the right, towards the right, and bring stuff from the left. You can do like different widgets, or not widgets, notifications. And again, you can scroll through it just like you did in notifications, or just like you did with the quick tiles and everything. So that is where you see notifications. And if you want to, you can hit delete all, which just clears them, and well, you have no notifications anymore. And then to just access quick little settings like flashlight and just stuff like that, you're going to just scroll down, and then you can have moods and routines, do not disturb, which actually I pressed, like power and off settings, different, oh, didn't make any noise, but like sound, vibrate, and then always on display. I always had this on because I just love that feature. Like I said, flashlight, and then to use flashlight, touch screen or touch rotating bezel to change brightness. And this new Galaxy Watch 6 has a 2000 nit brightness, which is nice for the flashlight. And then you just have a bunch of these that you can go through, and if you want to watch how to add more of this and just customize the watch, at the end of this video, I'll leave that video just right here somewhere, or maybe on that side. I'll probably be on this side though. But yeah, so that is basically just how to kind of get around your Galaxy Watch. And then, oh yeah, wallpapers, you just press and hold on the wallpaper. So I'll show you that again, just press and hold. And then you can just see all your wallpapers and scroll all the way to the end to add a new watch face. Then you can just scroll through all the ones that you have installed. Let's pick this one. And I'm not going to apply it, but you could just press on the paper like I did with that one, and it would just instantly apply. So that is how to use and just kind of what is a Galaxy Watch 6. And again, this goes from the 4 to the 6. So if you have a Galaxy Watch 4, 4 Classic, 5, 5 Pro, 6 and or 6 Classic, it will be the same thing, just with the Classic, just it'll have the actual rotating bezel, not just this digital one. Which I do prefer the look of just the regular. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me if you did. And if you did hit that subscribe button, just kind of something to expect is just some more videos on the Galaxy Watch 6, Galaxy Z Flip 5, S23 Ultra, and just any Samsung or even some Apple products. So yeah, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in my next video. See you then.